Hello guys, today we're going to be having veg biryani from Talpakatti. This is my favorite restaurant to have biryani from. Also the Pani 65 is amazing, so do try it out if there's a Talpakatti near you. Delivery guy வந்துட்டு he was like என்ன சார் தல்பாக்கட்டிலேருந்து வெஜ் பிரியாணி ஆர்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க என்னப்பா பண்ணுறது I was like I don't eat non-veg so have to settle with what I can do இல்லை சார் அங்கே வந்துட்டு நான்வெஜ் வெஜ் ரெண்டுமே இருக்குமே ஸோ தட்ஸ் நாட் அன் இஷ்யூ நம்ம சாப்பிட்றது வெஜ் பிரியாணியா ஸோ அவ்வளோதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் லுக் அட் த பேக்கேஜிங் இப்போ பேக்கேஜிங்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே வந்து தேவ் அட்டாச்ட் த நோட் அதாவது இது என்னன்றது தேவ் அட்டாச்ட் அண்ட் தேவ் ஆல்சோ கிவன் ஹேண்ட் சானிடைசர் ஸோ லெட்டஸ் யூஸ் திஸ் okay that's a very good amount of sanitizer so let me put it there so in the video வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's going to be a mix of both English and Tamil so it's like predominantly it's going to be in English and there's going to be a Tamil here and there this gives a soapy feeling let me go and wash my hands so sanitizer கொடுத்தா ஒரு மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு சரி அதனால் வந்துட்டு ஹேண்ட் வாஷ் பண்ணுறது பெட்டர் அப்படின்றதுனால ஹேண்ட் வாஷ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாச்சு ஸோ இப்போ என்னெல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்றது பார்ப்போம் ஸோ இது வந்துட்டு தே ஹவ் கிவன் வெஜிடபிள் குர்மா தேவ் ஆல்சோ கிவன் திஸ் ரைத்தா இது ரெண்டுமே நான் தொட போகிறதில்ல உள்ளே வச்சுருவோம் அண்ட் பிரியாணி கம்ஸ் இன் திஸ் சைனீஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பாக்ஸ் இன்னும் சைனீஸ் டேக் அவேஸ்லாம் இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பாக்ஸில் வந்துருக்கு ஸோ யூ ஹவ் டு லுக் ஃபார் திஸ் சீல் ஸோ இந்த சீல் வந்து போட்டிருக்காங்களான்னு பார்த்துட்டு தென் யூ கேன் டேக் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டிக்கர் and put it over there and when you open it the aroma just hits you on a whole new level you know wow that's amazing every time I eat this but still every time when I open it it's just like a whole new feeling திண்டுக்கல் தல்பாக்கட்டி தாங்க சில பேருக்கு பிடிக்காது சில பேருக்கு தே லைக் தேர் ரைஸ் அண்ட் பாஸ்மதி எனக்கும் பாஸ்மதி ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் பட் ஜீரக சம்பா அதுக்கு ஒரு தனி டிஸ்டிங்விஷ்டு டேஸ்ட் இருக்குது ஸோ அந்த டேஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு இட் கேனாட் பி மேட்ச் பை எனி அதர் ரைஸ் எஸ்பெஷலி ஃபார் திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பிரியாணி இந்த சீசனிங்க்கு இவங்களோட டேஸ்ட்டுக்கு இந்த ஜீரக சம்பா இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ரைஸ் தட் தே கேன் யூஸ் அது இல்லாமல் இதில் என்ன பெரிய ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ்னால் நீங்கள் சாப்பிட வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஹெவியே ஆகாது ரொம்ப லைட்டாக ஒரு யூ வில் ஃபீல் வெரி லைட் யுவர் டம்மி வில் நாட் கெட் ஃபுல் ஈவன் தோ you eat a lot you will be able to still have some more you know so that's a very good thing so let us dig into it we do have plates here at the office but I'm a little lazy to use them you know I have to wash it again so I can use this and I can just throw away this into the dustbin it's hot amazing make sure you chew the food well you know so that the juices get into your tongue and it also aids your digestion because the saliva breaks it down to an extent last time when I had Behruz biryani I was eating it with a spoon but when you eat it with your hands you know that's a totally other feeling that adds that's such a very good experience because we are generally used to eating on with our hands right and the quantity is more than enough for a single person but even if you finish it entirely you won't feel full it's Saturday today our office is actually closed but I came here to pick up a delivery from Amazon I told them that don't deliver it on Saturdays and Sundays stating that we are closed but still they told that the delivery guy has come out with the delivery so my house is nearby so I thought okay let me go and pick it up I was about to prepare some biryani today So then I thought, okay, anyways, we're going to come to office. I do not know when this delivery guy is going to come. Probably in an hour or two. So I thought, okay, let me come and have some taste of Dindigul Thalapakatti and also make a video for this channel. It's been a while since I done a food video. The key is eating it hot. So when it is hot, the aroma travels very well in the air. It's gonna be spicy. So if you don't want it to be extremely spicy, go for the paneer biryani. So when you have the paneer biryani, it's kind of less spicy. The paneer absorbs all those spices to an extent. So that is what my colleague told me. So one day I told him to have the veg biryani instead of the paneer, and he was like, dude, this was so spicy. Of course it is spicy, but I like it. You know, there are two kinds of spicy, where there is a spice due to the chili and the peppers, and where there is a spice due to the masalas or the powders that are added to it. I can fairly tolerate the spiciness of the chilies. Okay, there's a chili over here. I can eat it. It's the powders that I can't tolerate. You might ask me, why am I having it in my hand and having it rather than having it on my table? There are lots of hands here. So if I spill something, it's going to be a party for them. I don't want that to happen. That is why. If you want more food reviews, or if you want to watch me eat different kinds of foods from different restaurants, do comment it. Do leave a comment, sorry. So let me tell you what we ordered. We ordered a data or a data, I'm not sure. It's a hard disk. It's worth like 6,300 rupees. It comes with IP protection, dust protection. Okay, IP covers dust and water, but still it comes with the IP protection, that is ingress protection. I'm not sure about the rating, 44 or 55, I'm not sure. And it also is shock proof, and they also give 3 years of warranty, and the design looks cool. If possible, I'll add a image of it. I also plan to do unboxing of that today, but my mom was like, why do you have to take all the tripod from home to your office? It's very difficult, it's also very sunny, so just leave it here, we can do the review here at home. So I thought, okay, fine. You know, I'm a lazy guy. The spiciness just clears your nasal cavity like anything. If you're having a cold, have biryani. I wouldn't advise that because it's not going to be good for your tummy, but still, you can just chew it and spit it out if you want. So it's been a while since I've appeared on this channel. I think the last time I appeared in this channel was for the Poco X2 stabilization test. That was a good video. Short. Generally the videos in the channel are very short. It's about the different places that I visit or different things happening around me. I just put a compilation of all those videos and post it. But very rarely I do appear in person and talk about some stuff. The first video in this channel was like things in slow motion. Before the slow-mos, I think the slow-mo guys were pretty much a big thing over there. But still I had a S4, Samsung Galaxy S4, which had a slow motion feature in its camera. So I went around to capture the daily activities that were happening around me. My mother washing the clothes, my grandmother rinsing them, or what was it, squeezing them, twisting it, and pouring water into a bottle, unfolding an umbrella, and all those stuffs. That was the first video on this channel. I've always been attracted to cameras and especially photography and videography. Always liked it. There are some very good videos in this channel actually. The birds chilling after rain, that's like a 6 to 7 minute video where there's a ambient pleasant music playing in the background and birds just chilling after a heavy rain, you know. They're just drying themselves, they're not moving much, they're just sitting idle and letting the sun and the winds do their job of drying it. That's a very good video which you should check it out. You might wonder why there are cuts in between. That's me wiping my nose. It's cleared out my nasal cavity pretty well. It has become an ASMR, I guess, because this mic picks up even the tiniest or smallest of sounds. It's going to be an ASMR. I had put my AC on power chill and I guess it lasts only for like 15 minutes, so it turned off automatically. This biryani is rocking, man. I'm just loving each and every bite of it. I'm not taking the bite actually. Every scoop of it with my fingers. I don't know the right phrase. It's not a handful. I generally don't I generally don't like foods from restaurants except for a few. Like I do eat outside, but I don't like oh this is just awesome. I just don't say stuff like that when I eat something, except for this Talpagadi biryani and big spicy paneer wrap from McDonald's. The problem with the accent is that I watch a lot of British YouTubers. I've been watching a lot of British YouTubers since I was a child. You know, the Sideman, the Callum, Sweet Anita. All those people are British, and you tend to pick up certain words from them. So that is the reason why I call it as McDonald's or something like that. It just comes, it's a turret. This might be the best video that I've ever done. At least for me. I don't know how you guys feel. But I'm just enjoying this. That's the name. Okay, this is going to be the last. Okay. It's finger licking good. So let me go and wash my hands. Oh my god, that was just a very good experience. And people who have not tasted Dindigul Talpagatti, kindly do taste it. If there's a location near you, I recently came to know that they have opened one in Palakkad, which is a town in Kerala. Wow, it might be a little bit spicy, but if you can tolerate that, it's one hell of a dish. I know certain people who eat chicken or mutton biryani might come and say that which biryani isn't a biryani, but this is what I can have and I really like it. So until next time, thanks for watching. It's been your boy Sudev Gaura. Bye bye.